Hi and welcome to Scholars Tutorial. I'm Jay, and in this video I'll be talking about ARMS creation. Now we have various ARMS that can exist in a particular school. Now ARM just means stream. Some persons call it stream, some persons call it ARMS. Now, but we have about most schools use the ARMS A, SS2A, SS2A, SS2D, SS2B, just like that. But some schools can call it SS2V, SS2W, SS2X, SS2Z. And some can call it silver, SS2 silver, SS2 blue, SS2 green. Now, and the way the app is designed, it does not come with a static naming convention. You can choose to use any particular naming convention. In this case, the ones that have been created are A, B, and D. And you can create more and you can edit them to become another one. Like, for example, I can decide to create another one. I can decide to create another one, like clicking on this create arm. I can create it, for example, it doesn't exist there. I can give it the position of 3 because under normal circumstance, if you are listing these arms, you say A is the first one, B is the second one, C is the third one, so the position should be 3, so that this positioning we use in rearranging them whenever they are picked from you, whenever they are supposed to be displayed somewhere. Now we have to save that. Then when you click the save button, it's going to save that and become one of the arms which anybody can work with. We have we can list it, we can still edit it because this place is editing a button. We can view all of them. Also, we'll be having C, we're having D, we'll be having B and A. And edit, you can click on this one to edit it. So you can edit that one to become another thing. We can also based on this particular listing of all of them, we have that D is deactivated. Therefore, whenever we are working with ARMS, D will not come up as any of the option unless it has already been used when it was active. So, but we can activate it by clicking on this button. Then we activate it. If we want to change, like want to use another naming convention, we can come up and start changing all of them. Like we're talking about using blue as colors, using colors as the naming as the arms. You can change it to blue, change this one to green, change one to red. Then you can use silver, gold. When you talk about metals, you can change this one to silver. If you want to be using silver, understand? Then you can change that to that, or you can create more. You may not need to change them. You may create more instead. You may create instead of editing them. You create them by, like, you can decide to, instead of going with those ones, you just allow them to remain in the database like that. Then you come up and start creating X. You can call it the first one. X the first one. You can create another one. Y the second one, then Z the third one, and then deactivate the rest of them if you want to change that convention. And then we have Y the second one, then at this particular junction you can just choose to deactivate every other one, so that you'll be using X and Y as what you'll be using, and choose to deactivate every other one. So we have that. Then another one, that's another one, that's another one. So those ones will no longer be used. So that's about ARM configuration. And this ARM configuration goes a long way to, this is the text that's going to be displayed multiple places across the application. And we thank you for checking out this tutorial. Look forward to seeing you in the next tutorial. Make sure to sign up your school onto our platform, Scholars. Thank you.